Hello, everyone. I hope everyone had a great weekend and enjoying this beautiful weather, getting outside, getting some fresh air, sun, and vitamin D. Okay, so what you see in front of you is a weekly plan / template that you will be following every week. So these are the things that basically I post onto Edsby. However, I thought of one thing that I maybe should create some sort of template and guide for you to go back to take a quick glance as to what you should be doing next. Okay, so but before I start explaining this is just a friendly reminder to those of you who have not submitted their assignments yet. I know also some of you have asked me to extend the due date, which I did, and I'm very happy to do that. However, as for this whole distance online learning process that we will be experiencing for a while, it is still your job as a student to be doing your classwork. Now, I understand that this is something very different that we are not used to, but also we just need to do what we can by doing our job and by being responsible students, teachers, etc. Okay, so like I always tell you guys, if you have a question, your job is to ask your teachers and to reach out for help when needed. Because if you don't ask questions, you're not going to get the answers you're looking for, because we will just simply not know that you need help or whatnot. Okay, so let's just go through this really quickly. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now for Monday, it's the read and respond. Now this is going to look different every week. For example, today, please submit assignment 1. So that's the readworks.org website that some of you have been on and completed. But this is for those of you who haven't completed and submitted yet. Okay, so again, I need you to do that and start working on it every day, just a little bit by a little bit. Okay, it is okay not to have it completed by now, but it's not okay for you to not haven't even started it yet. Okay, so and then if you're done that, you're going to read for 20 minutes, curl up in a comfy spot and dive into a great book. Take a selfie and send it to me. I want to see lots of pictures, guys. Okay, and that's today, and that's for today. Tomorrow we have listen and respond. So this link here is ListenWise that you guys are familiar with. The last week's podcast was about the toilet paper issue that people are facing, and then attached was a group of comprehension questions, and I just need you to finish that. Okay, so here's the class code, and again, for those of you who did not complete assignment number 1, please complete it. Okay, then now if you're done assignment 1, this is what you're going to be doing. Listen, respond to this. 4 reasons to learn a new language. Now, listen up, guys. Discussion questions and video link is posted on Edsby. So I'm going to post those 2 links with this template. Okay, now remember, you guys, I don't mind answering questions. However, it is very important for you to read the instructions. Okay, moving on to Wednesday. So writing, you're going to write a summary of what you read on Monday. Thursday, grammar, irregular past tense. You're going to go to quill.org. Your class code and password will be sent to you. So this will be sent to you. Then finally, Friday, complete your earth art project. Send me photos, please. And lastly, check in. If you have any questions, this could be about anything, please just send me a message, reach out to me. I am always happy to hear from you guys. I hope you have an amazing week. I miss you all, and take care, and you guys can do this. Have a great day.